Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Oracle VirtualBox on your Windows 10 operating system. So Oracle VirtualBox is a free and open source hosted hypervisor for virtualization. In other words, VirtualBox allows you to install many operating systems virtually on your host operating system. So let's say I want to install Ubuntu operating system virtually on my Windows operating system. I can do that using VirtualBox. So for installing VirtualBox, just open your favorite browser and search for VirtualBox, and the first link which will appear here will be from virtualbox.org. So we are going to just click on this link. So once this website opens, if you are not directly redirected to the downloads page, you can click on this downloads link and you will be able to see this kind of downloads interface. We want to download the VirtualBox for Windows, so we are going to select Windows hosts, and once you click on that link, you can see the download of this VirtualBox exe has been started, which is around 108 megabyte. So once this executable file is downloaded, I'm going to just click on this executable file and I'm going to just minimize the browser. The first window looks like this, so I'm going to just click on the next button here, and this is the location where your VirtualBox will be installed. So if you don't have the good reason to change this path, just go ahead and click next, and just leave everything as default, click next, and then click yes, and then click install, which is going to start the process of installing the VirtualBox on your Windows operating system. In between, you will see these kind of messages which will ask you to install some device related software. So I'm going to just click on install, and then you can see straight away here this Oracle VirtualBox icon is created, and after some time you will also see this message which says the installation of VirtualBox is complete, and just leave this checkbox checked, which is going to launch your VirtualBox after you close that window. So this is how VirtualBox looks like. You can close it, and I'm going to once again open it using this icon. So on VirtualBox, you can create any virtual machine by just clicking on this new button here, and you can see there are different type of virtual machine you can create. For example, Windows, Linux, Solaris, BSD, IBM, macOS, and other. So let's say I want to just install Ubuntu. I will just type Ubuntu here, and you can see this type is Linux, and from here you can choose the version of Ubuntu you want to install. So you can choose 32-bit or 64-bit, and then go to the next step, and then you can choose the other options like memory and the processors and other things, right? The most important thing you need to have to install a virtual machine on your host operating system is the ISO file. So you can download, for example, the Ubuntu desktop ISO file from the Ubuntu website, and then you can just use that ISO file to create a Ubuntu virtual machine, which will allow you to create Ubuntu virtual machine and work with Ubuntu on your Windows operating system. So this is how you can download and install VirtualBox on your Windows operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next video.